Okay, it's Saturday, May 10th at 9:36 in the morning, and you can tell the pool is starting to clear up quite a bit. I've got some more shock coming today. I'll probably add 4 more pounds of shock and that'll be it. Then we'll get the vacuum set up. Once this is vacuumed, the filter will run continuously at that point until the water's clear. And then we'll get the heater running and get ramped up for the summer. But it's pretty clear over here now, as you can see. It's looking good. Can almost see down into the deep end, almost. Well, I can see a little bit of debris down there. I cannot clearly see the bottom drains yet, but that'll be coming. Stay tuned. Good morning, it's 8:22 on Mother's Day, May 11th. Pool is clearing up now. I did a 4-pound shock treatment yesterday to it. We can see more clearly into the bottom now. At this point, the pool should probably run 24 hours a day until it's clear. The algae that was left over from the winter is gone, and there's just a little residue left on the bottom of the pool that I won't even bother brushing. I have a new robot vacuum coming, I think either tomorrow or the next day. So we'll get that set up and let it do its thing, mapping the pool out and checking things out. But for now, I will set the filter to run 24 hours a day, and that will clean this up over the next day or two. But that's my report. Yesterday we could only probably see the bottom over here, and today I can see the bottom. Actually, I can see the bottom halfway into the deep end, and then it gets a little too dark for me to see past that point. I can classify that I can see the bottom when I actually see both bottom drains. And I'm trying to give it a good look down there. I know where the bottom drains are, but I just really, they're not in enough view for me to see them. But thanks for watching. The pool's coming along. It's a little too cool to go swimming, but we'll get things ramped up here pretty soon. Thanks for watching.